This is a simple DIY project using spray paint to transform any items that you have in mismatched colors to fit into your home. Just like changing up my old purple fan into a more vintage looking piece. Before you start on the project, make sure you choose a well-ventilated area as you will be working with spray paints and it can get slightly messy. So don't forget to make sure all sides of the walls and floors are well covered. I used some garbage bags and cardboard that I have lying in my house, but you can use anything that you have. Buy the color of spray cans that you desire. I've got a black and gold one, some masking tape, some cloth for cleaning, and of course your choice of item. Start by dismantling all the parts and using a wet cloth, give it a good clean, removing all the dust on it. You would want a clean base to work with, so wipe it with a dry cloth after or let it dry when you are done. Next, it's time to spray. I wanted my fan to be black and gold for the cover and knobs. So I started with covering all the areas that I did not want to get covered with spray, like the wire, the motor, and also the knobs. So I started with the base of the fan, and after I had it covered with masking tape, including all in between the knobs, I placed some aluminum foil around it and I did a few coats of light spray. Remember to shake the can first and spray at a distance for an even coat of spray. At the initial few spray, I had forgotten to shake and it left some lumps on the fan. If that happens, just let it dry, sandpaper it off and spray over it again. While waiting for it to dry, I work on the back cover and also on the front. Do a few coats of spray until it is the right color intensity that you are happy with. Make sure each layer is dry before coating another layer of paint. Take your time and slowly build the color up. Once it's dry, work on the other side, working just as you did on the previous side, and repeat the process. Now we can work on the larger area. Remove all the masking tape that you had on and slowly cover all the gold colored knobs that you just sprayed with masking tape. Give it a clean wipe if you see any dust on it again before spraying. Don't forget to tape the wire as well. Remember to spray at a distance and shake the can for an even coat of spray. Make sure it is all evenly covered at the back, side, top. Slowly build the color layer by layer. For the cover, I wanted the center of the fan to be black, so I taped it around and cut a hole on the foil to keep everywhere else clean. later I changed my mind because it did not look what I had in mind, so I coat it with a few light layers of gold above, and I did like the combination of both colors. Look at that transformation. Let it all to dry for a few hours or overnight before assembling the parts back together. And there you have it. The color and texture options for spray paints are endless, and they are inexpensive ways to transform something that you already have into looking something new. Look around your home and consider working on jars, photo frames, ceiling fans, or even ornaments. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.